Yeah. So, all of us know it takes a life or multiple lifetimes to find the purpose of life. And of course, I was grappling with that question for a couple of years. And the moment we start thinking of purpose of life, we think of everything that is in front of us and that seems doable. All the days were great, but yesterday, while doing the ecological steps, I said, okay, let me just ask that question. And to my surprise, when I reached the end, the answer was just love. Just love. And it was so profound, so profound. Is it just this? It is almost like God came and said, okay, you wanted it, you take it. As I come back today, so, okay, I get the purpose of life very well. Now what do I do about it? And today morning when I come, and Rupa shared a couple of experiences which she had when we were having a conversation. And then I realized that love is just about being me.
Wow.
Who I was is what I gave to her. And that is what worked for her, and that is what's working for everyone. So I got the purpose of life. I got what to do about it.